Run. Move swiftly on foot. I run every morning to stay fit. Jump. Propel oneself into the air. The athlete jumped over the high hurdle. Swim. Move through water using limbs. We swim in the pool during the summer. Dance. Move rhythmically to music. She loves to dance salsa at the local club. Write. Form letters, words, or symbols on paper. I write a daily journal to record my thoughts. Sing. Produce musical sounds with the voice. The singer sang a beautiful ballad on stage. Cook. Prepare food by heating. My mom likes to cook delicious meals for us. Drive. Operate a vehicle. He learned to drive a car when he turned 18. Paint. Apply color to a surface. She painted a stunning landscape on the canvas. Read. Look at and understand written words. I like to read mystery novels in my free time. Speak. Express thoughts or opinions orally. The professor spoke about the importance of education. Climb. Ascend or move upward. The mountaineer climbed the tall mountain. Fly. Move through the air. The birds fly south for the winter. Kick. Strike with the foot. He kicked the ball into the goal and scored. Sleep. Rest by being in a state of unconsciousness. I need to sleep early to feel refreshed. Study. Devote time to learning or acquiring knowledge. She studied diligently for her exams. Play. Engage in an activity for enjoyment or recreation. Children play games in the park after school. Run. Manage or control an organization or activity. She runs a successful business. Teach. Impart knowledge or skills to someone. The teacher taught the students how to solve math problems. Walk, move at a regular pace on foot. We decided to walk to the park instead of driving. Build. Construct or create something. They built a magnificent castle out of Legos. Sing. Perform with one's voice. The choir sang beautifully during the concert. Paint. Create a picture using colors. The artist painted a portrait of her friend. Swim. Propel oneself through water using limbs. The kids love to swim in the ocean during summer. Cook. Prepare food by combining ingredients. I enjoy cooking delicious meals for my family.